I'm gonna be giving you this review and how you can install this wireless car charger adapter for your phone mount right here. And this is a phone mount and wireless charger car adapter as well. And we're gonna be mounting it either to your car vent or you can mount it to the windshield on your car right here. So what you get for the features or what you get in the box right here is you get right here in the box, you get these accessories in the box right here. So what you get in the box is you get the wireless charger mount right here. This is the wireless charger mount that will mount either to your car vent or your windshield right here. And then the other accessory that you get in the box is you get this mount right here so that you can mount it to your car vent right here. And this one is the one that's going to be going to your car vent. And then this one that has the suction cup is the one that you're going to be putting on your windshield if you do not want to use this one for your car vent. And here is the charger so that you can connect it so that you can be able to wirelessly charge your phone using this wireless charger phone mount adapter. And now what you want to do is you want to grab the first one we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing this. You're going to be doing the one for the vent, but first what you want to do is you want to grab your wireless charger phone mount right here. Grab it, and then here are the features that you have on the mount right here. The features that you have on the mount are right here. So you want to open up the clamps. You want to press on the side right here. There's going to be two buttons on the side, and then it's going to be opening up right here so that you can put your phone right here for the mount. And then right here on the back, what you get is you get the little fan so it doesn't heat up right here. This is so that it can cool your phone down when it's charging wirelessly so that this adapter does not heat up. And then here you have the screw so that you can screw in the mount right here. So what you want to do first is you want to grab the vent mount right here. You want to grab the adapter for the vent, and then you want to unscrew it right here. Unscrew it. And now that you have unscrewed it, it should look like this. And now you want to unscrew the screw right here to unlock and lock for your mount right here. Just screw right here. You want to unscrew it like this. And then you want to put this mount where you see the ball head right here. Put it inside this hole right here. Put it inside like this. And you want to press on it firmly like this. Press it hard. And now you see that it's now inserted. So now what you want to do is you want to close the screw right here. You want to lock it right here. Now you see that it is firmly locked. So now what you want to do is you want to grab your mount right here. You want to grab your phone mount. And then you want to put it to your vent like this. Insert it in your vent, whatever one you want to use. You can either put it on the left side or the right side, depending on what side you want to use it. Now we're going to be putting it right here. And now what you want to do is you want to close the clamp right here. Close the clamp on your adapter for the wireless charger phone mount. Now you see we have securely secured the phone mount right here on my car vent right here. And this is what it's going to be looking like in the car vent. Let me put my phone inside to show you what it looks like right here. You see? Now, if you want to close it, you can close it like this. So let me close it. And that's what it's going to be looking like when we have secured it to the mount right here for the car vent right here. You see, this is what it looks like when we are using it with the car mount. And now what you want to do is if you want to charge it right here, you want to connect the USB-C charger to the bottom of the adapter right here. On the back, you're going to be seeing that there's a charger right here. I don't know if you can see it, but in the back, you're going to be having an input right here for you to connect the USB-C cable right here. So let's connect the USB-C cable. Now that we have connected it, you want to connect the USB part into a USB port either on your car or to the cigarette USB port that you have. And we're going to be using this one right here. We're going to be connecting it to this USB port on my car adapter. So let's connect it. Now we're going to be connecting it right here, and then when I connect it, you're going to be able to charge your phone wirelessly. Now you see that we have connected it, and now you're going to be seeing that the phone is now wirelessly charging right here, and you do not have to use your lightning cable right here, because I have the lightning cable on my in my hand, and you do not need to use it to charge your phone, but it's going to be faster to charge your phone if you use the lightning cable or the USB-C cable to your iPhone right here. It's going to be faster if you use the cable and not wirelessly charge it. But for me, I want it wirelessly charging. So right here, you can have it wirelessly charging right here. So let me connect it right here. And then you see that right here, I don't know if you can see it, but you see the lightning bolt charging. Let me take the phone out to show you that it works right here. You see? Now, you're going to be seeing that when I put my phone back in, it's going to be wirelessly charging right here. You see? You see, it is wirelessly charging my iPhone right here, because you can see the lightning bolt. Now let me show you again right here. You see? You see, now it is charging. It says 11% charge. Now what I'm going to be showing you is I'm going to be showing you this mount right here, the one that goes to your windshield right here. I'm going to be showing you the windshield phone mount right here. Here, what you have is you have this little screw right here. Unscrew this screw right here, and then what you're going to be having is you're going to be having this arm extend right here. You see? And you're going to be having this arm extend right here. You see? The arm extends so you can have it reach farther right here. You can have it reach farther or wherever you want to have it to right here. So where I'm going to be putting it is I'm going to be putting it right here for the phone mount right here. So let me secure it right here. I'm going to be having it here, right here, and that's how I'm going to be having it right here for the phone mount right here. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be removing this suction cup right here. I'm going to be removing the suction cup. And now right here, I'm going to be placing it right here in the center. All right, here in the bottom right here. And then right here, what I'm going to be doing, now what you want to do is once it's secured right here, you want to latch it right here. You're going to be having this latch, so you want to latch it like this. And now this latch right here is going to be suction cupping your windshield right here. It's going to be suction cupping the windshield so it can securely be held right here. You see? You see I'm trying to move it, but I cannot move it. And now what you want to do is you want to remove your car vent right here. You want to remove your adapter from the car vent like this. Now, what you need to do is you need to unscrew the adapter right here. Unscrew the adapter for your car vent right here. Unscrew it. And now you want to remove your car vent like this. Remove it. Now you see that this came off. So what you want to do is just screw it back in like this. But do not screw it in all the way. Just have it loose like this. And now what you want to do is you want to mount it like this right here. You want to mount it back into your adapter like this. So mount it like this securely. And now you see that it is too low. So what you want to do is you want to fix right here, because you'll have the little screw right here to move your arm like this. So I'm going to be having it like this. I'm going to be having it like this right here. So what you want to do is you want to unscrew it like this. You want to screw it back in to the position that you want it in. And then right here, what you're going to be seeing is you're going to be seeing that you can move it to wherever you want. Up, sideways, down like this. So you can have it up like this. So I'm going to be having it like this, sideways. And this is what it's going to be looking like when you have it mounted to your windshield. And you can also mount it to your dashboard right here. But I do not want to mount it to the dashboard, because you see that if I have it right here, there is these ridges on my dashboard right here that it's not going to be letting me secure it correctly. So that's why I have it mounted to the windshield right here on my car right here. And now we're going to be connecting it right here. So let me put my phone in. And then this is what it's going to be looking like when it is inserted into my phone mount right here for my windshield. So let me open it up right here. And then it automatically knows when your phone is connected right here. So you see right here, you see? And now you see it says 12% charge. So now you see that the phone mount is charging right here. Now, one other thing that you can do right here is you see that you have this little extender arm right here. You have the arm extender. This is the arm extender right here. If you want to extend it outwards, so what you want to do is you want to unscrew it right here. Unscrew it. And make sure you have screwed the back of your phone mount like this. And let me screw it back in. And now what you want to do is, as I said before, you have this screw so that you can extend your arm right here. You see? Let me extend the arm. You see that I have extended the arm, and this is what it's going to be looking like when it is inserted into my phone right here. You see? This is what it looks like when I have it in my iPhone right here, and this is the mount right here. So now let me screw it back in. Then, if you wanted to have more position like this, you can unscrew it like this, you see? And then you can have it to be lower like this. I'm going to be having it lower like this. And then what you want to do is once you have it secured, you want to screw it in like this. So screw it in. And now, this is what it looks like when everything is now connected to my phone mount and the windshield right here. Right here, you're going to be seeing that everything is now connected securely to my phone mount. And my iPhone is charging wirelessly right here, you see? Because you see that it has 14% charge. And now, if you want to remove it, what you want to do is you want to put on the... You want to press right here on the sides, and then what you're going to be seeing is that you can close it right here. But sometimes right here, when I press the button, your iPhone is automatically, or the phone mount is automatically going to be recognizing when your iPhone is connected or your smartphone is connected, so that the clamps will close on automatically on its own. You see? Now you see that my iPhone says 14% charged. So please like, comment, and follow me, and subscribe for more videos like these ones on how you can connect or how you can use this phone mount, wireless charger phone mount, either to your vent on your car or to the mount for your windshield on your car windshield right here for your iPhone or smartphone device that can wirelessly charge your phone. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me for more reviews like these ones and how-to videos like these ones.